Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to encrypt a PDF document with a password using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is an essential security feature that ensures only people with the correct password can open and view your sensitive documents. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access all the features. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface where you can see various options for working with PDFs. Now, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where Adobe Acrobat displays the documents you've worked on recently, making it quick and easy to find what you need. From this list, select the specific file that you want to encrypt with a password, click on it to open the document in the editor. Once your PDF is open, take a look at the left panel. This is where Adobe Acrobat organizes all its powerful tools. Navigate to the section labeled All Tools and click on it. You'll see a comprehensive list of features, but you might need to click View More to expand the full range of available options. Among all these tools, look for the one called Protect a PDF. This is the feature specifically designed for adding security measures to your documents. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the encryption process. In the left panel, you'll now see different protection options. Click on Encrypt with Password. This particular method uses password-based encryption to secure your PDF, which is one of the most reliable ways to protect sensitive information. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Simply click Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with encrypting this document. This ensures you don't accidentally apply encryption to the wrong file. Next, you'll see a checkbox beside the option that says Require a password to open the document. Make sure you check this box. By enabling this setting, you're ensuring that anyone who tries to open this PDF will be prompted to enter the password first. Now, navigate to the field labeled Document Open Password. This is where you'll create the password that will protect your PDF. Type your desired password into the text field. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once you've entered your password, click OK. A new dialog box will immediately appear asking you to confirm your password. This is a safety measure to ensure you didn't make any typos when creating your password. Type your password again exactly as you did before in the text field, then click OK. Finally, click OK one more time to apply all the changes and save your encrypted PDF. Your document is now password protected, and anyone attempting to open it will need to enter the correct password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.